and today I'm going to show you how to make the largest number using the given numbers. Let's start. But I have a question for you guys. What is the world's largest number? Is it million? Is it billion? Is it trillion? Is it quadrillion? Is it quintillion? Is it nonillion? Is it decillion? No, this can't be right. It is Google and Googleplex. Those are the largest numbers in the world. Now I will tell you what is Google and Googleplex now. What is a Google? A Google is a one. If you put 100 zeros in front of one, it will become one Google. But what is a Googleplex? It is one, but in front of it are Google zeros. That's impossible for a human to count. So now let's come to our video. So what is the largest number here? Largest digit here? It is 6. But first we have to write 1 here. So 1,675 is the given number now. So what is the largest digit here? It's 7. But first we have to write 1 here to indicate it's the first largest number we're making. So we need to do 4 largest numbers because there are 4 digits here. So we have to write 7 here. Then 6, because 6 is the second largest digit. And 5 is the third largest digit. And 1, because we're left with that. The first largest number is 7,651. And what is the second largest number? It is 6,751. So what is the third largest number? It is 5,761. And what is the fourth largest number? It is 1,765. So that is all the numbers for here. And let's move on to 2,968. So again, we have to write 1 to indicate it's the first largest number we're making. 9, because 9 is the first largest digit here. Sorry for that. I'm going to erase that. Everybody can do that. But although I got my finger stained. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so let's write 9, 8, 6, 9, 8, 7, no way. No. 9, 8, 6, 2. So what is the second largest number? It is 8,960. 62. What is the third largest number? 6,982. And what is the fourth largest number? It is 2,986. This is the possible way of making the first, second, and third and fourth largest numbers. Okay. Use this trick if you are finding any of these questions that your teacher is giving you. And comment me if you tried. I'll be so happy. Bye. That's the end of today's video. And bye. I'll catch you next time.